students. Grade 10. The lesson is force and interaction. First, let us define the force. Definition of force. Force is a mechanical action exerted by one object on another. What is the meaning of mechanical action? Mechanical action means the motion of object, or the object is able to move under the action of a force. Okay? Now, what are the effects of a force? The effects of the force: first, set a body in motion. Set a body in motion. If a box is at rest on a table, then by pushing it, the box will move. The motion of the box indicates that there is a force. Okay? So the first effect of the force is a set of a body in a motion. Now, the second effect is modify the motion. Modify the motion means the force changes the direction of the motion. Deform the object. Deform the object means the force changes the shape of the object. Okay, these are the effects of the force. Now, also we can classify the force according to its type. The force may be contact force. The type of the force is contact force, or force is acting from a distance. The forces that are contact force are tension, reaction of support R, friction, the symbol Fr, muscular force, the symbol is F muscular vector. The forces that are acting from a distance are weight, magnetic force, symbol F magnet, electric force, symbol F electric. Okay, now, characteristics of a force. Each force has characteristics. The characteristics are point of application, line of action, direction, and magnitude. They are 4 characteristics. Now, the point of application may be contact point between two objects if the force is a contact force, or center of gravity of the object if the force is acting from a distance, like the weight. The point of application of the weight is the center of gravity of the body of the object. Okay? A line of action of the force may be horizontal. The force acts on a horizontal line or vertical line, like weight. The line of action of the weight is vertical. Or maybe oblique force. Force has line of action oblique, not horizontal and not vertical, but oblique, between the horizontal and vertical. Now, the third characteristic is direction. The direction of the force may be to the right, to the left. Maybe force has direction up or down, or if the line of action is oblique, the direction may be right up or left up, or left down, or right down. Okay. The fourth characteristic characteristic is the magnitude of the force. It is measured by spring balance or dynamometer, okay, or it is calculated. Example, here we have equation law to calculate the weight, the magnitude of the weight force. W, which is the weight, equal mass times the gravity. Okay, the SI unit of the force is Newton. The symbol is capital N. Okay. Representation of a force by vector. The force is represented by a vector. Why? Because the vector carries the same characteristics of the force. Look, this is a vector. Here, this point, the initial point here, is the point of application. It indicates the point of application. The arrow here indicates the direction of the force, and all the vector indicates the line of action, while the length of the vector indicates the magnitude of the force. The magnitude of the force. Here we have the following example. If the given scale is 1 centimeter equal to 5 Newton, and the force is equal to 10 Newton, we can calculate the length of the vector. How? We say 1 centimeter is 5 Newton. Then 10 Newton under 5 Newton here, 10 Newton. What is the length of the vector? Simple third rule. X equal 10 Newton times 1 centi over 5. The answer is 2 centimeter. So the vector of this force has length equal 2 centimeter. Okay, thank you, good luck.